Leveraging technology and AI for future success. Technology and artificial intelligence (AI) are reshaping the world, driving innovation across industries, and revolutionizing how we work, communicate, and live. Their potential to enable success in the future is immense, offering tools to solve complex problems, enhance productivity, and unlock growth opportunities. However, achieving future success in a technology-driven world requires understanding how to harness these tools effectively, adapt to rapid advancements, and balance innovation with ethical considerations. This comprehensive guide explores how individuals and organizations can leverage technology and AI to thrive in the future, offering practical strategies and insights for navigating this evolving landscape. Understanding the role of technology and AI in the future. 1. Accelerating innovation. Technology and AI empower individuals and businesses to innovate at unprecedented scales. These tools drive breakthroughs across industries, from automating routine tasks to enabling advanced research. Examples of innovation: healthcare, AI-powered diagnostic tools, robotic surgeries, and personalized medicine. Education, e-learning platforms, virtual classrooms, and adaptive learning systems. Energy, smart grids, renewable energy optimization, and predictive maintenance. 2. Enhancing productivity. AI-driven tools streamline workflows, improve decision-making, and increase efficiency. Automation reduces the burden of repetitive tasks, allowing people to focus on creative and strategic work. Applications and productivity. AI-driven project management tools for task organization and resource allocation. Chatbots and virtual assistants for customer support and routine inquiries. Data analytics platforms for real-time insights and informed decisions. 3. Personalizing user experience. CE enables hyper-personalization, tailoring services, products, and content to individual preferences. Examples: e-commerce platforms offering personalized product recommendations, streaming services curating content based on viewing habits, financial apps providing customized investment strategies. 4. Driving global connectivity. Technology bridges geographical gaps, fostering collaboration and communication across the globe. AI-powered translation tools and virtual meeting platforms enhance accessibility and inclusivity. Strategies for leveraging technology and AI for success. 1. Embrace lifelong learning. The rapid evolution of technology necessitates continuous learning to stay relevant. Stay updated regularly. Follow industry trends, attend webinars, and read about advancements in AI and technology. Learn technical skills, gain proficiency in AI-related areas like data analysis, machine learning, or coding to understand better and utilize emerging tools. 2. Identify and adopt relevant tools. Not all technologies or AI applications will suit every need. Focus on those aligned with your goals. Evaluate tools, assess how specific technologies can address challenges or enhance processes. Experiment and iterate. Test new tools and gather feedback to refine their integration. 3. Foster collaboration between humans and AI. Success lies in combining human creativity and judgment with AI's computational power. Enhance decision-making. Use AI for data-driven insights while relying on human intuition for nuanced decisions. Empower teams. Provide employees with AI tools that augment their skills and reduce workload. 4. Use data strategically. Data is the backbone of AI. Leveraging it effectively can unlock powerful insights. Collect and organize data. Ensure your data is clean, secure, and relevant. Analyze patterns. Use AI-powered analytics tools to identify trends, optimize performance, and predict future outcomes. 5. Invest in ethical AI practices. As AI adoption grows, ethical considerations are paramount to ensure responsible use. Promote transparency. Understand how AI systems make decisions and communicate this clearly to users. Address bias regularly. Audit AI systems to identify and mitigate potential biases in data or algorithms. Ensure accountability. Establish guidelines for ethical AI development and usage. 6. Cultivate a growth mindset. Adaptability and resilience are key to navigating technological shifts. Embrace change. View technological advancements as opportunities for growth rather than threats. Stay curious, explore new technologies, and be open to experimenting with novel approaches. Industries transformed by technology and AI. 1. Healthcare. AI revolutionizes patient care, medical research, and operational efficiency. Examples: AI-powered diagnostics detecting diseases like cancer at early stages. Virtual health assistants providing 24/7 patient support. predictive analytics improving hospital resource allocation. 2. Education technically enhances learning experiences through personalized and accessible tools. Examples: adaptive learning platforms tailoring content to individual students. Virtual reality VR for immersive, experiential learning. AI tutors providing instant feedback and support. 3. Business and finance optimizes decision-making, improves customer experiences, and reduces costs. Examples: automated trading systems analyzing market trends in real time. AI chatbots improving customer service interactions. Fraud detection systems identifying suspicious activities. 4. Manufacturing and robotics streamline production processes and improve quality control. Examples: predictive maintenance, reducing downtime and costs. AI-powered supply chain optimization for efficient logistics. Robotic automation enhancing precision and productivity. 5. Environmental sustainability. AI contributes to addressing climate change and promoting sustainable practices. Examples: smart agriculture using AI to optimize water and fertilizer usage. AI-powered energy management systems for reducing consumption. Climate modeling tools predicting and mitigating environmental risks. Challenges in leveraging technology and AI. While the potential benefits are immense, leveraging technology and AI also comes with challenges. 1. Skill gaps. AI requires technical expertise, and many individuals and organizations face skill shortages. Solution: invest in education, upskilling, and reskilling programs. 2. Ethical concerns. Issues like bias, privacy, and transparency can hinder AI's acceptance. Solution: promote ethical AI development and adhere to best practices. 3. High cost of implementation. The advanced technologies can be expensive for small businesses or underfunded sectors. Solution: start small by adopting scalable, cost-effective tools and seek partnerships or grants. 4. Resistance to change. Fear of job displacement or unfamiliarity with AI can lead to resistance. Solution: emphasize the collaborative potential of AI and provide training to ease transitions. 5. Cybersecurity risks. As technology becomes more integrated, systems become vulnerable to cyber attacks. Solution: implement robust cybersecurity measures and educate users about best practices. Examples of AI and technology empowering success. 1. Smart city. AI-powered technologies enhance urban living through efficient energy use, traffic management, and public services. Example: Singapore's Smart Nation initiative uses AI devices and AI analytics to optimize city operations. 2. AI and entertainment. Strategic platforms use AI to recommend personalized content and improve user experiences. Example: Netflix's recommendation engine, powered by machine learning, tailors content suggestions to individual viewing habits. 3. Personalized healthcare. AI applications in telemedicine and wearable technology enable personalized health monitoring and treatment. Example: Apple's Health app integrates data from wearables to provide users with insights about their wellness. Future trends in technology and AI. 1. Generative AI and DALL-E revolutionize content creation by generating text, images, and code. 2. AI and sustainability. AI-driven solutions address climate change through precision agriculture, energy optimization, and waste reduction. 3. Quantum computing. Quantum technology promises to solve complex problems beyond the capabilities of classical computers, revolutionizing fields like cryptography and material science. 4. Autonomous systems. Self-driving cars, drones, and robots will reshape transportation, logistics, and healthcare industries. 5. Human-AI collaboration will increasingly work alongside humans to enhance creativity, productivity, and decision-making. Key takeaways. 1. Adapt and learn continuously. Embrace lifelong learning to stay ahead in a rapidly changing technological landscape. 2. Combine creativity with AI. Use AI as a tool to enhance human innovation and problem-solving. 3. Balance innovation with ethics. Ensure responsible and transparent use of AI in technology. 4. Focus on collaboration. Build systems that amplify human potential rather than replace it. 5. Be future-focused. Stay informed about emerging trends and proactively adopt transformative tools. Conclusion: technology and AI are no longer optional, they are essential components for achieving success in the future. By embracing these tools with intention and responsibility, individuals and organizations can unlock unparalleled opportunities for growth and innovation. Whether through improving productivity, solving global challenges, or enhancing everyday experiences, technology and AI have the power to transform the future. The key lies in staying adaptable, learning continuously, and using these advancements to drive meaningful progress. The future belongs to those who leverage technology to succeed and create a better world.